What's up everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindsets. Right, so we have this nice math Olympiad problem and we are to solve for the values of x. So the first thing guys you want to do is to apply this exponent property that says if we have a raised to the power of n plus n, this is equal to a raised to the power of n multiply a raised to the power of n. So applying this property we have this to be 5 raised to the power of x multiply 5 raised to the power of 1 minus 5 raised to the power of x multiply 5 raised to the power of negative 1, and this is equal to what? 90. So right here we want to simply factor out the common term, and we have the common term right here to be 5 raised to the power of x, and if we factor this out we have 5 raised to the power of 1 minus 5 raised to the power of negative 1, and this is equal to what? 90. But we know that if we have a raised to the power of negative 1, this is equals to 1 divided what? A. So we have this to be 5 raised to the power of x multiply 5 raised to the power of 1 is the same thing as 5 minus 1 divided what? 5, and this is equal to what? 90. So from here we have this to be 5 raised to the power of x multiply. Now we look for the LCM. We have the LCM to be 5 and this is over 1. 1 divided 5 is 5, so we have this to be 5 multiply 5 minus 5 divided 5 1. We have 1 multiply 1 and this is equal to what? 90. So we have 5 raised to the power of x multiply the LCM. We have this to be 5. 5 multiply 5 is 25 minus 1 multiply 1 is 1, which is equals to what? 90. So we have 5 raised to the power of x multiply 25 minus 1 is 24 divide 5, and this is equal to what? 90. So we want to simply divide both sides by 24 divide what? 5 to isolate 5 raised to the power of x. So this is going to cancel out this. So we have 5 raised to the power of x is equals to 90 divide 24 divide 5. So we have 5 raised to the power of x is equals to 90 times. Now we're going to simply interchange this right here. So we have 5 over what? 24. But 90 can be expressed as 6 multiply 15 and 24 can be expressed as 6 multiply what? 4. So we have this to be 5 raised to the power of x is equals to 6 multiply 15 times 5 divide what? 6 multiply what? 4. So since we cancel out 6, so we have 5 raised to the power of x is equal to 15 times 5 is going to give us 75 divide what? 4. So from here the next thing we want to do right here is to simply take the logarithm of both sides right there. So we have this to be log 5 raised to the power of x is equal to log 75 divide what? 4. But from the property of logarithm, if we have log a raised to the power of b, this is equals to b log a, and also if we have log a divide b, this is equal to what? Log a minus what? Log b. So applying this to both sides, we have x log 5 is equal to what? Log 75 minus log 4. So divide both sides by log 5 to isolate what? X. So from here we have, this is going to cancel out this, so we have that x is equals to what? Log 75 minus log 4 divide, we have this to be what? Log 5. So separating the fraction, we have this to be what? Log 75 divide log 5 minus log 4 divide what? Log 5. But 75 can be expressed as 5 multiply 5 multiply 3. So we have x is equals to what? Log 5 multiply 5 multiply 3 divide what? Log 5 minus log 4 divide what? Log 5. But we know from the logarithm property, if we have log a multiply b, this is equal to what? Log a plus what? Log b. So applying this property, we have this to be x is equals to log 5 plus log 5 plus log 3 divide log 5 minus log 4 divide what? Log 5. So splitting the fraction, we have that x is equals to what? Log 5 divide log 5 plus log 5 divide log 5 plus log 3 divide log 5 minus log 4 divide what? Log 5. So we have that x is equal to, this is going to cancel out this, we have this to be 1 plus this cancel out this, we have this to be 1 plus log 3 divide log 5 minus log 4 divide what? Log 5. So x is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log 3 divide log 5 minus log 4 divide what? Log 5. But from this property, if we have log A divide log B, this is equals to log A base B. So we want to simply apply this property. So we have this to be x is equals to 2 plus log 3 base 5 minus log 4 base 5, and this becomes the value of x. So guys, we have been able to find the value of x to this nice maths Olympiad problem. So the next thing guys we want to do is to simply verify to show that our answer is actually correct. So to verify, we have the original expression to be given as 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 minus 5 raised to the power of x minus 1, and this is equals to what? 90, and we have the value of x. So we have this to be 5 raised to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 5 minus log 4 base 5 plus 1 minus 5 raised to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 5 minus log 4 base 5 minus 1, and this is equals to what? 90. So we have 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 3 plus log 3 base 5 minus log 4 base 5 minus 5 raised to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 1 plus log 3 base 5 minus log 4 base 5, and this is equals to what? 90. But from the property of exponents, if we have a raised to the power of n plus n, this is equals to a raised to the power of n multiply a raised to the power of n, and if we have a raised to the power of m minus n, this is equals to a raised to the power of m divide a raised to the power of what? N. So from here we have this to be 5 raised to the power of 3 multiply 5 raised to the power of log 3 base 5 divide 5 raised to the power of log 4 base 5 minus 5 raised to the power of 1 multiply 5 raised to the power of log 3 base 5 divide 5 raised to the power of log 4 base 5, and this is equal to what? 90. But from this property, if we have a raised to the power of log b base a, this is equals to b. So if we have 5 raised to the power of log 3 base 5, this is equals to 3. And if we have 5 raised to the power of log 4 base 5, this is equals to what? 4. So we have this to be 5 raised to the power of 3 is 125 multiply. Now we have 5 raised to the power of log 3 base 5 is equals to 3 divide 4 minus 5 raised to the power of 5 minus 3 divide what? 4. 125 multiplied 3 is going to give us 375 divide 4 minus 5 multiplied 3 is 15 divide what? 4. So we have the common denominator, so we have this to be 4. 375 minus 15, and this is equal to, note that all of this is equal to what? 90. So I'm trying to verify this. So we have this to be 375 minus 15 is going to give us 360 divide 4, which is equal to what? 90. So 360 divide 4, it is 90, which is equal to what? 90. So the left hand side is equal to the what? Right hand side, and we have been able to verify this right here. So guys, this is how you can solve this nice exponential maths Olympiad problem, and we have been able to find the value of x, and we have the value of x to be equal to 2 plus log 3 base 5 minus log 4 base 5, and this becomes the final answer. So with us guys, I'm going to see you in the next video, and if you are not yet subscribed to Mathematical Mindset, please do well to click onto that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.